In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Photopea. By the end, you'll know a quick and reliable way to cut a background out of a photo using the Magic Wand tool, so you can isolate your subject and create clean transparency behind it. First, open Photopea in your browser and make sure your image is open and visible on the canvas. If your file isn't open yet, you can drag and drop it into the window or use File, then Open. Give the image a second to load and check the Layers panel to confirm your photo is on a layer you can work with. Next, choose the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar on the left. If you don't see it right away, it may be grouped with other selection tools. Click and hold on that group until the Magic Wand appears, then select it. Look along the top options bar for the Magic Wand settings. Tolerance controls how similar a pixel has to be to the one you click to be included in the selection. A lower number selects fewer, more similar colors. A higher number selects a broader range. A good starting point is around 20 to 30, and you can adjust up or down based on your image. If your background is in separate patches, enable contiguous off. If it's one continuous area, contiguous on can help keep the selection tidy. Leave anti-alias on for smoother edges. Now click on an area of the background you want to remove. You'll see marching ants outlining the selection. If it grabs too much of your subject, lower the tolerance and try again. If it misses parts of the background, raise the tolerance slightly or hold Shift and click additional background areas to add them to the selection. If it selects part of your subject, hold Alt or Option and click to subtract from the selection. Zoom in around hair, corners, and fine details to make sure the edge looks clean. With the background selected, go to the top menu and choose Edit, then Clear. You can also press the Delete key as a shortcut. The selected pixels will disappear, revealing a checkerboard pattern which represents transparency. If nothing happens, check the Layers panel. If the layer has a lock icon, click it to unlock before clearing. And if clear is grayed out, you may have no active selection. Try clicking the background again with the Magic Wand. That's the process. Repeat the selection and clear steps for any leftover areas until the background is fully transparent. When you're happy with the edges, you're all set to continue editing.